Are you struggling to keep your wardrobe organized? It's a common issue, isn't it? Overflowing drawers, missing socks, and that favorite shirt you just can't seem to locate. It's clear that a well-organized wardrobe not only saves time but also reduces stress. Imagine opening your closet to find everything neatly arranged and easily accessible. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's more than possible. Today, we will guide you through the process of organizing your wardrobe in simple, easy-to-follow steps. The first step in organizing your wardrobe is taking inventory and clearing out unwanted items. This process is essential, not only to free up space but also to give you a full understanding of what you own. Start by pulling everything out of your closet. Yes, everything. This will help you see the full scope of your wardrobe. Now, it's time for the crucial decision-making. Sort your clothes into 3 piles: keep, donate, and discard. If you haven't worn a piece in a year, it's time to say goodbye. If it's damaged beyond repair, into the discard pile it goes. Remember, your aim is to only keep items that express your style and make you feel confident. Don't rush this process. Take your time to really evaluate each piece. You might be surprised at what you find hidden in the depths of your closet. Remember, a decluttered wardrobe is a decluttered mind. Once you've decluttered, it's time to categorize your clothes and make optimal use of your wardrobe space. Begin by grouping similar items together. You can do this by type, such as pants with pants, shirts with shirts, or by season. This makes it easier to find what you're looking for and keeps your wardrobe tidy. Next, consider how you're going to store each category. Some clothes benefit from being hung up, like dresses and suits, while others, like t-shirts and sweaters, can be folded and stacked. Remember, the key is to make everything visible and accessible. Think about your wardrobe's layout as well. Are you maximizing all available space? Utilize the top shelves for out-of-season clothes and the bottom for shoes. Hooks on the door can hold belts or scarves. With the right system, you can make even a small wardrobe feel spacious. With everything categorized and neatly arranged, you'll find what you need in no time. Did you know seasonal adjustments and proper clothing care can extend the life of your clothes and keep your wardrobe in order? As the seasons change, so should your wardrobe. It's best to store out-of-season clothing carefully to minimize damage from dust, sunlight, and storage conditions. For example, woolen winter wear should be stored in breathable containers, away from dampness and sunlight. Switching to lighter, breathable fabrics during warmer months not only makes dressing easier, but also helps maintain the integrity of your woolens and heavy fabrics. On the other hand, your summer clothes should be stored in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, which can cause colors to fade. Now let's talk about clothing care. Different fabrics require different care. Silk, lace, and other delicate fabrics should be hand-washed and air-dried. Regularly launder your clothes, but avoid excessive washing as it can lead to wear and tear. Remember, a little care goes a long way in maintaining the longevity of your clothes. Now that you know the basics, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid and answer some frequently asked questions about wardrobe organization. Firstly, overloading the wardrobe. It's easy to fall into the trap of cramming too many clothes in, but it leads to creases, difficulty finding items, and can even damage your clothing or the wardrobe itself. So remember, less is more. Secondly, inadequate care of clothing. This includes not only washing and ironing, but also storing your clothes properly. Fold neatly, hang items that can wrinkle easily, and make sure everything is clean before it goes back in the wardrobe. Now let's address some frequently asked questions. How often should I clean out my closet? Ideally, at the start of each season. This gives you the chance to rotate your clothes and throw out or donate anything you no longer need. How to effectively organize a small closet? Use vertical space, invest in storage solutions like boxes or separators, and keep only what you really need. What tips are there for storing seasonal clothing? Keep them clean, dry, and ideally in vacuum-sealed bags to save space and protect from dust. How do I care for delicate clothing? Always follow the care instructions, and consider using garment bags for extra protection. Is there an effective way to keep clothes wrinkle-free? Hanging systems work well, and folding clothes neatly can also help. Avoid these mistakes, follow these tips, and you'll have a perfectly organized wardrobe that will make your daily routine much easier. Organizing your wardrobe might seem like a daunting task, but with these tips, it's simpler than you think. We've walked through inventory and clearing out, categorizing clothes, and making the most of your space. We've also discussed seasonal adjustments, clothing care, and common mistakes to avoid. Remember, boxes, separators, and clever storage solutions are your friends. And don't forget those FAQs for when you're in a bind. So, are you ready for a fresh start with a well-organized wardrobe? Go ahead, give it a try and feel the difference.